Hi, this is Make to Explore Embedded Systems. Today we are going to see one small mini project, DIY door lock using three different methods: RFID, keypad, 4x4 matrix keypad, and smartphone using Android app. So this is a solenoid lock. This is solenoid lock. So this project is a locker system which can be accessed using three different methods. One is keypad, 4x4 matrix keypad using entering the password. Second one is the RFID using the RFID cards, and third one using the Android smartphone app, Android app. So let's get started. Now we will see one by one what components are used in this project. So this is Arduino Nano microcontroller. This is 4x4 matrix keypad. This is 2-channel relay module for controlling the solenoid lock. This lock is a 12-volt solenoid lock. This battery is LiPo battery, 12-volt LiPo battery used for this 12-volt solenoid lock. These are RFID cards. This is RFID reader, RFID RC522 reader. Operating frequency is 13.56 MHz. This is 16:2 LCD display which is connected using I2C or I2C interface. This is I2C serial interface adapter module which reduces the LCD's pin to 4 pin. We can use only SDA and SCL and power and ground pin, 4 pins, to connect this I2C based display. So this module, I2C interface module, is based on IC chip PCF8574. These are status LEDs. Red LED shows lock is locked. Green LED will show lock is unlocked, and this blue LED is for reset, showing reset process purpose. This is reset button. So whenever we want to erase all data or saved RFID cards from the EEPROM memory of microcontroller Arduino Nano, then we can use this reset button to reset this memory. So in this mini project, RFID cards can be enrolled into the EEPROM memory of microcontroller Arduino Nano. So even if the power supply is gone off, the saved RFID cards remains in a EEPROM, that does not get vanished even if power supply is off. This is HC05 Bluetooth module is connected with this Arduino. This used to connect this whole system using Bluetooth to an Android phone, so that we can access this lock and lock this lock using Android app using our smartphone. So these all are the components of this mini project. So let's first we see the demo of this project. First of all, we will see the passcode method. Just enter this code star 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can see here this password is entered here, but we cannot see here. For privacy purpose, we have shown the characters X and then hash. Okay, green LED showing is lock, it is unlocked, and display also shows lock is unlocked. This lock remains unlocked for few seconds and then automatically it gets off. Once again we will see the demo of this passcode star 1 2 3 4 5 6 hash. Valid access code, access granted. This passcode which we are entering using this keypad, we can change that passcode using in our program. So this is passcode method. Now we will see the RFID method. These are RFID card or tag, we can see that. So we can use this RFID to unlock this lock, but first we have to register or enroll this RFID card and its code into this memory of EEPROM. If we now used this unregistered card, it will show invalid card. You can see here in on display it is showing invalid card because we have not yet registered this card in this memory of Arduino. So in order to enroll these cards, we have to enter a code star 6 5 4 3 2 1 and hash. Now you can see enrolling is showing here. So you have to place this card on the reader. So reader will read the tag or RFID card's code and save that in a EEPROM memory of microcontroller. Okay, now card is showing, display showing card is enrolled. Okay, now if this card is enrolled, we have yet not registered this card. So when we place this card on this RFID reader, lock will get unlocked. Okay, valid RFID card, green light is on and lock is unlocked. This card is registered and this card is not registered. If we place this card, it will show invalid ID card. Again, we will enroll, now register or enroll this card in microcontroller's memory using code. You can change this code in program. 654 hash. Now it is showing enrolling register. Okay, now card is enrolled. Okay, locked now. Now let's unlock this. Okay, this is a demo of RFID method. Now we will see the as I told earlier that this lock can be accessed using three different methods. Third method is the Android app method, and we can use the smartphone to connect with this Bluetooth module. First we have to actually pair with this module our Android phone, and then we can access this lock. So here is the Android app. The APK file will given in description of this video. All the code and APK file will be posted on GitHub link, and link will be given in the description of this video. So this app, let's see, we have to first turn on the Bluetooth. Okay, Bluetooth is turned on. Then we will pair this module, HC05 module, with this smartphone. Now it is not paired, it is showing in available devices. Now when you turn on the Bluetooth and scan for devices, it will get detect as HC05, you can see here. So now the status of this LED or the status LED of HC05 is blinking at this frequency. Just note that. Now just click on this pairing. It will ask for a passcode for pairing. By default there are two passwords, which you can 000 or 1234. So 1234. Okay. It is now showing pairing. Okay. Something happened with connections, I think. Let's see. Yes, there is connection. Okay, I have to reset this. Okay, it's connection error. Okay, now it is blinking. So again we will register for try for pair. Okay, again it asks for passcode 1234. Okay, now it get enrolled or listed in paired devices list. You can see here paired devices. Okay, now just go in your app. Okay, and press connect button. Okay, you will see here the device is listed here. If you see the device is not listed here, then you can infer that device is yet not HC05 yet not paired. So when you click here, okay, the screen will go green and showing status that device is successfully connected with the HC05 module, and you can see the status now of this LED, status LED of HC05. It is now blinking at some specific interval, showing that the device is paired with this Android phone. Okay, now same password which we have entered earlier in a passcode method, we have to enter that *12345 and hash. Okay, and press the button, enter button. See here now, when we press button, okay, lock is unlocked. Okay, once again we will see the demo. Okay, unlocked. So in this way, this lock or locker system can be accessed using three different accessing methods: RFID, passcode method, and Android app method. So now I will show you how to wipe, or when you want to remove any person's RFID tag or RFID card from the memory of EEPROM of this microcontroller, or just wipe out all data, RFID data from memory of this microcontroller, then you have to enter a code *789 and hash. Now it will ask reset RFID. This will remove. You have to press button for 3 seconds. Okay, wiping, done, and locked. Now all the register RFID cards data is now erased. If you place now this card, it will show invalid card. Again you have to enroll new cards or these cards to unlock this lock. So this is all demo of this small DIY door lock mini project. All links for codes and schematics and all procedure is posted on GitHub, and links are given in the description of this video. You can check out that. Thank you.